Hi guys, I think I forgot that I do have a YouTube channel to run. Sorry for that, because a lot of viewer from the future generation is still waiting for me, which is something I found very sad. Sorry, not putting a video, uploading a video for months. So yeah, today I'm going to talk about something we know we have heard this word like constant battle. Many of us have heard this word constant battle, but we really don't know what constant battle means. I mean, for me, defining it for everyone, constant battle means something you don't hold a power to change in some way. I mean, what is constant battle? What is a constant battle for humanity? Is to be great, it's to be perfect, which is sadly not possible, which is true, which is the fact, is you don't hold that power. So something you don't have power becomes constant battle. For example, now people are addicted to phones. Why they're addicted to phones? Because they don't hold the power to change it. So that becomes a constant battle, which is a problem, which is something we never understand. We never realize. If you have a power, it will not be a battle, it will rather be a situation where you win. Simple. So for example, in a battlefield, if you have a power more than your opponent, you win the game, right? It's simple. How we can defend this constant battle thing. The best way to defend it is knowing you don't have a power. Is staying up to your or knowing your boundary is the best way to live a life in freedom without any constant battle. If you know your boundary and limitation, for example, as a man, as a human being, I have my limitation, which is not limitation that are set up by society. That's a secondary thing. But a boundary which everyone have. For example, I will die if I jump from a big uphill that is probably 1,000 feet up or 1,000 meter up. If I jump from that, I die. That becomes a limitation for me. That is my boundary. Is not to jump, rather stay on the top, right? So if every human knows their boundaries, and what are the boundaries? Is the thing that you hold power to. For example, as an average human, if you're only one guy or any girl or any gender, if you're only one, you don't hold a power to change the constitution of the country. But if you united and be millions of people together, then make millions of people come together, then now your boundary exceed, your limitation exceed. Now you won. You were most likely to be winning this battle, right? So let's understand this thing. Let's understand my thing. That is only way to fight this constant battle in anything. For example, not in terms of your addictions, but in terms of this battle between this happiness and sadness, uh, this just do thing to anything. For example, winning, losing, everything. The constant battle of this insecurity being unsecure, this battle of being insecure, or being battle of being perfect, this and that. There will be that. If you understand, you don't hold the power. If you realize, if you let, if you know your limitations, then there is only a chance to win and live a life of a live a life in a freedom, because there's no other way. There's no other way. Then this is how I think it's possible to winning this constant battle, and best we win this. So yeah, I mean that's all. I mean, what's other way? If you want to add on something, I think feel free to add on to the things. I really appreciate that. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.